Hey, how are you?
Good.
Ready to get started?
Okay.
Alright, first off, I want you to tell me what are some of the coolest things you've ever done?
Okay. Well, I spent 3 months in China last year. We went to a minority village where I got to play this really old Chinese wooden flute thing. And we also dressed up in funny Chinese clothes, and I got a photo on a horse.
Wow, that sounds really interesting. What else?
Um, in grade 3, we went to this historical village place and dressed up as people from the olden days, and we learned how they didn't have washing machines and how they used this metal thing to rub the clothes on, and we had scones with jam and cream.
Okay, so you like dressing up and, looking at stuff from the past?
Yeah, I like drama and acting. I do speech and drama and the Stedfords and stuff. Um, my sister's doing Tournament of the Minds, where they have to write a play and make all the costumes. I'm really jealous.
Oh, cool. That sounds really interesting. So would you be interested in doing Tournament of the Minds in the future?
Yeah, I really want to do it next year.
Okay, what else do you want to do in the future?
Um, I started writing a book about a girl and a dragon, and they become pirates, and the sky she likes. But yeah, I want to finish writing that, but I don't know what's gonna happen at the end yet.
Cool. So it's like fantasy. Do you like fantasy?
Yeah, especially dragons. I was in the Reader's Cup this year, and we had to read Aragon, and I watched the movie, but I like the book better.
Okay. And you like writing? You're writing a book. Have you written anything else in the past that you were really proud of?
Um, I won a poetry contest last year. I wrote a poem about a sheep or something to do with like the first wheat and stuff. And I wrote my grandpa's biography. And I'm also trying to write a journal every day.
Okay, I've written a lot of stuff down here. It sounds like you've got some pretty cool interests and experiences. I'm just going to add some of those experiences to your Celebrate Learning toolkit that I've just emailed you. While I'm doing this, can you look up some of those photos of the things that you've done?
Okay.
Alright, what I want you to do next is to add in your goals, so those things that you want to do in the future, and we're going to talk together and figure out some steps to help you reach them. So you just click here, and you said you want to be in Tournament of the Minds next year, so you can put next year as the due date. I know it's not very specific, but that's okay. You want to finish writing your book, and you want to start journaling every day.
Yeah.
Now, let's look at journaling every day. What do you think you need to remember? Or what can help you remember to journal?
Um, I could set an alarm.
Okay, can you add that into the steps? What about your book?
Well, I've written bits and pieces on lots of scrap paper, but it's really messy, and I can't actually figure out where's the start and where I'm up to because I keep forgetting.
Okay, so you need to organize what you've already written. Would typing it up help?
Yeah, maybe, but it would take forever because it's really long, and I'm not a very fast typer.
What if someone else typed it up for you? They could help fix any spelling mistakes along the way.
That would be amazing, but I know I might be really embarrassed to let somebody read it.
Oh, you don't need to be embarrassed. I'm sure it's really great. And I know someone who's really fast at typing and really good at drawing animals and dragons. Maybe you could work together and she could help you with some ideas of what will happen next in your story, maybe even draw some pictures for your book. What if I organized for you to meet her just to say hi and get to know her?
Okay.
Wow, look at that. Can you believe we got all that done today? Look at how cool your highlight reel looks with those photos. Alright, I'm going to leave now and check back in a couple of days' time to see if you've set your alarm and remembered to journal, and I'll organise that meeting with Melissa as well. I'll talk to you next time.
Okay, bye.